Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x8024001B, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for you. So all you need to do is copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Open command prompt, paste the script here. Okay. And then what do we say? Your job will be done. I'll tell you what the script does. It stops all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and then finally restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.